So.
Somewhere I will never show.
Valka. Riechen. Riechen. Go. Ja, versuch. Beim Leckerli-Zeug.
I move through places without phone.
Stop.
Somewhere quiet, somewhere warm. Every step just feels too slow. Like I've nowhere left to go. The dark is where I feel the same. Without a face, without a name. I've settled in the space between. Something lost, something unseen. In between I'm standing still. Nothing left to shape or fill. Every thought just drifts away before it finds a place to stay. I don't hold or disappear. I've been here for too many years, and in the space I let it go. There's nothing left for me, no. No direction, no control, just a slow and steady flow. I don't stop, I don't return, I just move until it turns. A space, every moment fades to gray, like it never meant to stay. I don't try to understand what was never in my hand, and in the quiet I remain, somewhere outside of the frame. When the light begins to show, I'm already letting go. No goodbye, no final line, nothing left to leave behind. Still between what comes and goes, somewhere no one ever knows. Shapes I barely know, like I'm just a passing flow. Every corner feels too wide, like there's nothing left inside. The night is still, it doesn't ask. Nothing here, I need a map. I've settled where the quiet stays, in between the fading days, light enough to drift away. Nothing left for me to say. Every word just disappears before it reaches anywhere. I don't hold what slips from me, I just let it slowly be. And in the space I leave behind, there's nothing there to redefine. No arrival. No delay, just another passing day. I don't stay, I don't return, I just move and let it turn. Light enough to not remain, nothing here to leave a name. Every moment fades too slow into something I don't know. I don't try to make it clear why I'm barely even here. And in the quiet I became something no one else can name. I'm already out of tune. No reflection in the glass, only something meant to pass, light enough to disappear.
You're fine. Yeah, ist du fein gemacht.
Like I was never really
Ja, super. Ganz fein gemacht. Ja. Ja, ist du fein gemacht. Oh, du bist gut. Aus.